Alright, that was the game. House of Oak beat Asante Kotoko 1-0 at the Accra Sports Stadium. I think it was, I don't know what to make of the performance. It wasn't good, it wasn't that bad, it wasn't that good. I think there are positives to take from this game today, and I think we should have gotten at least a point. We had chance to score goals, we had several chances to score goals. The first one in the first half, the Augustine Okra sitter that he could have just buried and he just gave it to the keeper. I think we should have won this game. I think it's something that can damage morale. If the team focus on this defeat, we won't be able to win our next games, because right now I think this defeat will hurt the team very well. So it's important that we don't sunk into this defeat, and we should just focus, pick ourselves up and focus and finish on our remaining games of the season. Now, House of Oak, obviously they have been playing about 6 or 5 of their last games at home, so it gives them the edge, it gives them the momentum. They haven't been traveling that much, they haven't been going out to play football, so they are always in Accra and they have that advantage over Kotoko today. Today, ahead of this game, everybody felt they were favourites because they had the time to prepare. Kotoko had to travel from Kumasi to here to play them. I think we could have won. Fabio Gama played well. Patrick Asma was immense, it was good. I was very pleased with Andrews Apau and Habib Mohamed. Those 3 players, Patrick Asma, Andrews Apau and Habib Mohamed, they were immense today. I still don't know who to pick as the man of the match between those 3 players. I think they were very good. When they got the goal, when House of Oak got the goal, I thought it was offside, but unfortunately it wasn't. I don't know if it was offside because I didn't see it. I haven't seen the replay. From where I sat, I thought it was offside, but I think it wasn't offside. So I felt overall today we did all our best, and Mariano Berto gambled and played without a natural striker, and I think that also caused made it difficult for Kotoko to play today. For Mariano Berto to play without a natural striker, that's to start the game without a natural striker, because in the first half we had instances where a natural striker would have slotted in all those crosses, like the first one Fabio Gama should have slotted in if he had moved earlier. I think that's something we should learn, and this is the only game, this is the only time House of Oak have won against Kotoko in how many days, so they'll celebrate. It's like Christmas for them. So overall, I'm not too happy with the performance. I thought we would have gotten a point, but I think that's all I have to say about this particular game. I would like to know your thoughts. Put it in the comment section and tell me what you think. So goodbye.